Hello everyone, it's a beautiful day out here, guys. You're welcome to my channel once again. You all know how we do it in this channel, guys. I try to enter my trade and I explain to you the reason why we enter the trade and the confluences that we got. That is the strategy that I use, which is purely price action, guys. Which is purely price action. So guys, I'm going to tell you guys the reason why we enter this trade now, how you can be able to figure out this trade on your own, guys, how you can be able to do it on your own. So this is the simplest volatility index strategy for 2022, the simplest volatility indexes strategy. I repeat it again, guys, because you're not gonna spend much time scanning the market. You're not going to spend much time cracking your head or making gains, guys. What you just have to do is allow your setup to occur, and whatever, once your setup comes, guys, you push into the market, you set your stop loss and your risk as you can afford to lose. Okay, guys. So how did I get into this trade, guys? Look at the setup here, guys. If you check what the market is doing in 15 minutes, remember 15 minutes is our entry, 15 minutes is also our exit. Though most times you can go to 4 hours time frame to check the trend. Okay, you can check the trend in a longer period. Okay, so now coming to the 15 minutes time frame, guys, when I check the 4 hours, I see what the market is doing. At the 4 hours, the market retested this support here and it's pushing up. So what I did is that I need to get an entry that is called area of value to go into the market. So not just that I see that the market is making this retesting, which looks like a double bottom here. No, that's not just enough. Now when you see that the trend is moving towards, let's say, upside or downside, the next thing you have to do is to look out for what is called area of value. What is the area of value? The area of value is a place that where you can keep your hair in order to for you to zoom off to your direction. Okay, let's assume that you want to zoom off to the air. Where are you keeping your head? So you must get a foundation where you can zoom off. So that's why I go to 15 minutes time frame. Then I try to understand what the market is doing. Remember, everything we're doing is purely price action, guys. Everything we're doing is purely price action. So that's why I'm taking my time to explain this to you guys. Purely price action. So when I saw what the market was doing, I tried to ask myself, what is this market doing actually? What has it been doing previously? Okay, so when I zoom in, okay, 3x, I discovered that the market is doing some kind of lower highs. You see that the market is doing some kind of lower highs. So when the market is doing such lower highs, I try to pull out my trend line. So I pull out my trend line, connect the first link, connect the second, and allow it to move. Okay, now let me show you how you can do this. Let me show you how you can do this without stressing yourself. Okay, guys, once you pull out this trend line, guys, connect the first one, connect the second one. Once you have connected the first here, connect the second here. For you not to gaze if actually the market will touch or it will not touch, just highlight and click. You go to the pen arrow here. When you go to the pen arrow, you click, then go to your ray lights. Look at it here, guys. Ray right and ray left. Okay, so what you just have to do is for you to highlight the two buttons. Once you highlight it, what's going to happen? Boom, the trend line will use itself to expand both left and right. So when I did this, guys, I discovered that the market is respecting this very trend line. So when it respected it, what happened is that I have to exercise patience to get a confirmation candle. Now the confirmation candle is what is called entry trigger, guys. It is called entry trigger. So once I get the confirmation candle, I wait for the rejections. So this is the confirmation candle. The bullish candle there is the confirmation candle. Here is the confirmation candle here. That yes, the opposite pressure has come in. Remember how I trade? I get my market structure from the 4 hours, which is the direction that the market is going. I try to figure it out. Now I come to the 15 minutes. I try to check out what is called area of value. Okay, it could be a support, a resistance. It could be a kind of EMA retesting. It could be a psychological level retesting. Okay, guys. Now once you got that, then you're not gonna check out to get a entry trigger. Just have to get an entry trigger. So when you get an entry trigger, you are good to go, guys. So this market, as you can see, it respected this moving up, this trend line. And at that very point, I tried to see what else happened. I discovered that there was also a sub-psychological level at this very point right now. Remember, I always tell you guys to get up to 2 to 3 confluence. So I have a sub-psychological level of 2335. If you've been following my channel, you should know how to get this by now. Okay, the sub-psychological level is at 2335. So I got that psychological level, the sub-psychological level at that very point, which is the same place where I got the trend line. So this is a double combo, guys. I call this double combo. Whenever it occurs, guys, forget it. Forget it. The market is going to push towards the opposite direction. So having gotten that, guys, what happened next? I check also my EMA. That's in my indicator window. I saw that it as the first take profit level. So whenever the red is here, and I got these two, guys, is a boom boom. So guys, this is just very simple. This is just very simple. Let me take it again, guys. The first thing you have to check on is your structure. Okay, go in 4 hours, check what the market is doing. Here is the pressure in 4 hours. Where is the pressure in 4 hours currently? Because what we are doing is day trading. We're not swinging, we're not swing trading, we're not holding for a long time, but we're not scalping, guys, because we have our entry, we have our exit. Rather, we're trying to catch some thousands, okay, points, and go out from the market and wait for next opportunity. So what we'll do is the trade, we'll enter our trade in same day and we'll go out in same day. So when you get the direction of the market, which is the structure, okay, guys, then you come to the 15 minutes, try to get your area of value. And how do you get your area of value? Try to understand what price is doing. What is price doing? Is it respecting a support? Is it respecting a resistance? What is it doing? Okay, so that's where I came to realize that the market was doing a lower high. Okay, so when I discovered that it was doing a lower high, I had to pull out my indicator, which is my trend line, which is this. Get this point, then wait for it to come again. Guys, patience is required in the forex market. Patience is really required. You know, most of us just think it's all about the strategy. No, it's not just all about the strategy that you get. You got to have that patience. You got to have that tolerance to allow the market to flit, because the market flits. Many traders are coming in, many are going out. This is a big market that you can't just control by yourself. Rather, you use psychology to follow it. Okay, so you exercise patience, and also you apply good risk management, because despite how accurate your strategy is, the market can always go contrary from your prediction. Yes, the market can actually go contrary for your prediction. Now, I will always tell my followers that what you do, the difference between what you do and gambling is because you do it with an age. Okay, you get some confirmations before you do it. Aside from that, what you're doing is gambling, because you can never tell what will happen in the next few minutes. You might predict that the market will go up and the market will decide to go down. That's just the market. But because you understand the move, you try to get some backup to your decision. Okay, so most times you can even make money in wrong decisions. Then later you will realize that, yeah, this was a wrong decision that I made actually. So guys, I'm not gonna make this video a long one, but I just want you guys to understand how this thing works. Before you enter your market, try to question yourself: what is the people in the opposite side doing? What am I expecting from this market? And what is price actually doing? That is what is called price action. Okay guys, so guys, I hope you learn something from this video, and keep learning and keep pushing on. You're gonna break through, I assure you that. So see you guys in the next video, and please guys, please support me by sharing the video, clicking like, commenting. Okay guys, okay, just subscribe to my channel. As I promised you guys, I'm gonna be releasing it raw as it is, guys, from my own side. Okay guys, so notwithstanding, guys, I share the signal both in my free group and in my premium group. Yeah, this was the signal. As you all know, I don't make alone. This is a free group. Okay guys, so I'll still leave the link below. Today is January 5th. I'll still leave the link below. This was where we started. Okay, This was where we started, and this is where we are right now, guys. Okay, guys. So see you guys in the next video. Away.